What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. In this video, I want to talk about XRP. I want to focus on the price prediction side of it, where you have a what would be professional price prediction, as well as where my head is when it comes to where I believe XRP is going to be in 2026. Mainly kind of focusing on the baby steps. We've had various predictions out there, right? We've had $30,000 predictions, $10,000 predictions, $1,000 predictions, $100 predictions, and so on and so forth, right? But the baby steps have been the best thing for us to latch onto and go, all right, we're going to get here, we're going to get there, we're going to get there, we're going to get there, right? You have to do that, because if you just go, it's 50 cents and it's going to jump to $10,000, it's very difficult to understand what you are going to do or what's going to happen in between and how long that process is going to take. Because many people, when you do that, jump from here to there, it's like there was nothing in between, and that's what you're going to see. Your price value is going to go from your balance being $1,000 to then being $100 million, right? That's insane to say that it's like cut to that. Well, what happened throughout that time, and how long is it going to take? To answer those questions, no one knows how long it's going to take. But obviously, there's going to be a lot that happens in between. And I want to kind of talk about that, but mainly focus on the beginning stages of it, the baby steps, getting to $5 and pushing to that next step, that next level. So if you guys could, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out my links down below, feel free to check out my links. I have a link at the top of the description for Fortis X. If you guys want to give that a look, it's a platform that allows you to basically take your crypto holdings that you are holding for a long time and be able to make something extra on top of it with up to 20.41% variable APY. So definitely give it a look. That link will be at the top of the description. Now, cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency currently stands at $2.59 trillion market cap. We're not necessarily seeing the major push after tax season. We're hoping that May will be that kind of tipping point where things will start to push. But again, if many people are expecting it, you typically don't see those things that are happening. Everybody's waiting around, sitting on their hands and waiting for altcoin season. And the more that we sit on their hands, what is actually happening, right? We're not seeing much buying, but we're seeing some people that get impatient and start selling. And that's where it gets very difficult to manage. So while we're waiting, let's talk about what prices we expect to see. It's not necessarily going to be a full timeline for me, but the article that we have here is talking about XRP going to $5 in 2026, which would be reasonable, right? It's not saying $10,000 in 2026. It's saying $5. It's already been to about $4, so what's another dollar as it grows? But again, the current crypto market cap is at a $2.59 trillion market cap. XRP itself is sitting at an $85 billion market cap, a $1.38 price, down by 2.7% in the last 24 hours. And in the last week, it's down by 2.8%. And we're sitting with $2.3 billion worth of volume, which is interesting, right? Because while we just talked about sitting on your hands, you have the people that are buying that are sitting on their hands, and people that are getting impatient with an increase of 102% in the volume, where they're like, you know what, maybe I shouldn't be in this right now, and maybe I already made my gains out of it and I want to get out of it, right? That could be the case. No one truly knows. It also could be ETF outflows as well. It can contribute to that. But there are still 224,000 holders. So that is an increase from what we've seen, in the last video that we talked about XRP. We are seeing, 62 billion coins that are in the circulating supply. And the total supply is still sitting around 99.9 billion coins. Now, for XRP, there are many price predictions. This one obviously goes out here and talks about XRP reaching a level of $5 and how possible that can be. I'll just go out on a limb and say it's 100% possible, and it will happen. Now, whether it will happen in 2026 depends on the level of buy volume that happens and the amount of people that are still sitting on their hands rather than FOMOing into it, and the use cases and all that stuff, which I would expect to be flourishing. However, we've tried to talk about how 2025 should have been insanely bullish, which it was. It just didn't stay at those levels and continue to increase to create brand new all-time highs. It created a new all-time high market cap. But XRP's price prediction: can XRP reach $5 in 2026? XRP holders have been hoping the XRP price will hit $5 over a year now, since it peaked at $3.65 last July. Standard Chartered was the first to put the $5 target on the board in April 2025. Then ChatGPT called it the bullish ceiling for 2026. And most analysts have it at their top of their range for the year. But XRP is still trading around $1.41 to $1.43, which currently we saw is $1.38, and has been stuck between $1.30 and $1.50 for most of 2026. Granted, it's only been 4 months, but still, 4 months can be a long time. 4 months in, the question most XRP investors are asking: if the price can reclaim the $3.65 high, or if it can ever reach $5. We dug into the 4 specific things that would have to go right for XRP to hit $5, where Wall Street analysts actually see XRP ending in the year, or ending the year, and whether a $5 price is achievable this year. What XRP at $5 would mean in market cap terms. On paper, XRP reaching $5 from $1.43 is just a 250% rally, which is nothing crazy by crypto standards. But looking at the market cap is where things could get a bit tough. With a 61 or 62 billion coins in circulation, a $5 XRP price would put it at a $308 billion market cap, almost 3.5 times where it trades today, which, again, it sounds crazy because $308 billion market cap may sound crazy to a lot because you don't expect many cryptos to get to those points. But you talk about something as big as XRP, something that can flourish as much and can be usable as much as XRP in conversations and in bank, partnerships and business partnerships and all of that stuff. It obviously can get to so much more. And I don't think $308 billion is the actual cap of what we can get to. I think trillions of dollars is what we're going to see. So it's just weird to see because of the fact that we've never reached that point for XRP. We've never reached a $5 point, and we've never reached over a $300 billion market cap. We've gotten over $200 billion. $308 billion. $300 billion is an altcoin territory only Ethereum has ever reached. And that was Ethereum's November 2021 peak of $571 billion. Meanwhile, Solana, the second biggest altcoin ever, topped out at $170 billion in January 2025. So a $5 price would make XRP the second largest altcoin in history in terms of market cap. I don't know if they understand, seeing that, not understanding the history that XRP has had. Because XRP got to a total of a $210 billion market cap. So even though it's at an $80 billion market cap now, and it seems ridiculous to get to a $300 billion market cap, when you add that into it, it's gotten to places that no other altcoin has gotten to besides Ethereum, right? And that's XRP. XRP's running. XRP gets to these levels. XRP can be usable. And guess what? It's going to get to a $300, $400, $500 billion market cap for sure. That doesn't mean XRP hitting $5 is impossible, but a market cap calculation shows why such a feat is harder than it looks. But one thing in crypto is to never underestimate anything, which is very true. And there's still 8 months left this year for XRP to attempt reaching the coveted $5 price. They have to also understand that if you're upset with a 2.5 times or 3 times, right? You have to now understand that XRP has already seen multiple X's, right? Getting up to getting or going from a 50-cent price point or less than a 50-cent price point all the way up to a $3.65 price point. So worrying about a 3x, not necessarily anything that I need to worry about. So yes, this article comes out and says that it's not impossible. And I agree that it's not impossible. And it's for sure 100% possible. But the argument is it going to happen in 2026? And I guess what I would say is that all depends, right? It depends on whether we're going to see a true altcoin season, whether we're in the midst of a bear market. And that's just how this is going to flow for the next year. And then 2027 is where things absolutely explode. It also depends on governmental decisions. It depends on war. It depends on interest rates. It depends on a lot of stuff that we need to see kind of go right. And if we have one thing that goes wrong, it seems to have a major effect on cryptocurrency and it doesn't flourish the way that we want it to. And now, I think, and I don't know how much this matters to you to say that I think that we will see these levels be hit, or at least fought against, or not fought against, but resisting from. So seeing that resistance point as a $5 point and getting up to that point and seeing a lot of people react to that. Oh, it's at a $4.80 price point. Well, let me react to that. Let me sell before it gets to $5 and before it decreases. That's what many people may do, right? And that could be the case, or we could see it just push past these levels because we said the same thing when it was at $1, right? When it was getting to $1, we know that it would resist from there. It has resisted from there. Then it pushed past, and it was like $2, but it pushed past that, got up to $2.50, pushed past that, $3, pushed past that, and then obviously got closer to the all-time high, and that's where it resisted from. I feel like $5 is a very, very significant point. It's going to break past the all-time high, maybe even do another thing of what we said where it's like it hits one resistance point that we think is going to be the case, bust through that, then it gets another resistance point, bust through that, and then it gets to the $5 price point or close to that, and that's where it starts to retrace from. So I want to know what you guys think. I think it will, if not get to a point where it's retracing from it, but either get close or get to it. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Again, make sure you check out the FortisX, that platform. They offer up to 20% the variable APY. Also, check out my links down below for BTCC, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.